and welcome. It's Melissa here, and thanks for joining me. In today's video, it's a wrap up for Christmas while I do some last minute prep for the holidays. Now, when I'm getting ready for guests, there's a few things I love to do around my home, and there's a few tips I'd like to show you as well. So without further ado, let's check it out. Okay, so first things first, when I'm getting ready for guests is I really want to have that inviting entryway. And so I start with a wreath, anything that's going to kind of set the stage of what's to be inside. And that is one of many Christmas trees. I won't actually give you the number right now of how many Christmas trees I have, but hey, in my front entryway, I really like to put those little Christmas touches. This is my excuse to add those little statues and areas, those little things that I've picked up along the years that I can really add those themes or those accessories to my area. And it's really going to show people that, hey, it is Christmas and you are going to feel like that. Okay, so yes, this is a blanket scarf, and this is a tip I have. A really easy way to change up decor is by pillows, and pillows can be expensive. So by taking a pillow or a blanket scarf and wrapping it up, and yes, you saw that was pajamas that I'm wearing, but hey, just go with it. When I have inspiration, I just move along with it. And if you can see here, I actually have a few different blanket scarves that I have used. It's an inexpensive way to reuse my pillows. And now I can just tie in some plaid ribbon with the plaid pillows. And I have now an area to really go with the Christmas theme or that winter theme in my home for my guests. And speaking of guests, I want to feed them. And so I wanted to try out this holiday appetizer. Have any of you ever tried those veggie pizzas? It's so delicious, but I actually have found it takes forever. And so this is my version of doing a really easy way. And now, first thing is because the vegetables, you can really just puree it, make it very, very small. I chose any vegetables. I really just wanted a lot of color. And then I add cream cheese as well as some mayo, about 1/3 of a cup, and then some ranch dressing. And the nice thing about this powdered dressing is there's a variety. And so you really can kind of fit this taste to your taste or kind of your theme. And so I added a plethora of vegetables along with ranch style dressing, mixing it all up so that I can put it in a wrap. And now, again, going with that Christmas theme, I have gone with green, but you can use any type of flavor of wrap that you would like. And don't worry about slathering it right into the edges, because when you go and start rolling this, it will kind of smoosh out the edges. And now here is another tip for you. Do not start cutting it right away. It will actually unravel. And so when you are making them, be prepared to put them in the fridge for a few hours up to overnight. And then when you cut them, they will stay together. Now I kind of squished mine, and so they're not these round little pinwheels that you would probably normally see, but they were delicious nonetheless. And you can just throw some little toothpicks and you are ready to serve for your guests. And now when you are going to serve food for your guests, you're probably going to do it in an area like a dining room. And that is also a place I do not like to, I will not neglect to decorate. And so some easy ways to decorate my dining room is through wreaths. I can do that on mirrors, but also on walls. And it really adds to that natural, that nature, adding that greenery. And another way to do that is through my mantle. I've added some greenery to that, and it really lends itself to that winter or that Christmas theme. And then, hey, I just really wanted to show you because I love tablescapes. I love table looks, and this is more of that minimal looking, minimalistic, well, minimal for me, but it looks traditional nonetheless, but it's a great holiday decor for your table. Now, I just wanted to show you some other looks because again, I am very much obsessed with creating tablescapes, and I wanted to show you some really easy ways to create a different look or a different feel. And to me, this is more masculine. And I really just tried to show how adding absolutely no color but black and white with some gray. And then really it's the green in those Christmas, or those trees, I should say. They're not just Christmas trees. In those trees, they're all Hobby Lobby trees, by the way, that really set the stage for that winter tablescape. And now, also, in addition to that winter kind of black and white theme, I am not afraid of color, and I do like to incorporate that as well. So I wanted to show you another look, and this is my favorite. It's that chinoiserie. Ooh, let's say it again. Chinoiserie. I love that blue and white porcelain. It has set the stage actually this year for my own personal Christmas decor throughout the home. I really love blue and white porcelain, transferware, you name it. If I find it from thrift stores, garage sales, anywhere, I will buy it and I will decorate it in my house. And so I really wanted to try to find a way to bring those looks that are already in my home into my winter or my Christmas look. And I found I could do that through plaid. And so I was incorporating a lot of navy, but I was also using a lot of those red plaid that just gave that punch of Christmas or of winter. And to me, it makes me say, oh, and I love it so much. But again, I'm not afraid of traditional, and I also wanted to show you this look because it's really fun for me as well, and it's really festive, and it's a little bit more of a throwback to me because of that plaid. Now, plaid is really coming back this year. Everyone is really missing over the years. We have not had that traditional Christmas, and everyone is ready for that. And I don't blame you. I'm ready for it too. And I'm so excited that I can enjoy that Christmas, the holidays with friends, families, and loved ones. And so hopefully you will spend the whole night with your guests, entertaining and enjoying yourself. And with that, you will want to make sure that you have yourself your powder room or your bathroom set and ready for those particular needs throughout the night. And that takes me to my last area, the guest bathroom. Now, this is not the most romantical or festive place, hey, but some necessities here. I know it's not that great, but toilet paper. Let's make sure you stock up. You don't want to have anything that's going to take away from the party. And so once you've taken care of that stuff, then I like to do the styling and decorating. And so some easy things are changing out my greenery so that it is fit to the season. And I also, you can find these really easily. I found these from the dollar store, and it's that fake trees. And again, it's adding greenery. I took off the red berries, but you can keep them. And like I said, I really love that porcelain blue and white. It's really something that I use in my home. And so why not create a winter type of Christmas theme along with some soap that has that mint type of smell to it. And so not only am I ready for my guests, but it's also helping to create that lovely smell in the bathroom as well. And so I'm incorporating green. Why not wreaths in the bathroom? And so what I love about putting a wreath in this particular spot in my bathroom is not only does it look pretty and it sets the stage to the season, but it also hides that really ugly switch that I have in the bathroom. And there you have it. You have some greenery that you have can add, and this is something that I do in my home, just little touches that are going to really showcase that it is a new season, that it is winter, and you're really getting into that Christmas theme. And one more way to really say, hello, it is Christmas, is to add ornaments. And you can do that anywhere in your bathroom, anywhere where there is an area to hang something, and you can really be creative in this sense. And so be creative in your whole house. I hope you enjoy the holidays. I hope you enjoy it with friends and loved ones. And Merry Christmas and take care.